Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to simply edit your videos. If you're trying to start a YouTube channel, there is a default application that comes with your laptop or your computer, and it's free, and you can definitely put a lot of different stuff in your video, like a title page, like an ending message and stuff like that. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you that application and how it works. So let's start. So first of all, guys, if you're trying to edit a video, make sure that that video is actually saved in your computer or in your laptop's memory under your pictures, because if it's not there, this application is not going to work. So I have a video that I want to edit, and it's here saved in my PC pictures. So now first we have to open the video with Photos. So we have to use the Photos application to open a video. That doesn't make sense to me, but it works perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and start our edit. So the video that I want to edit is this. And so when you right click and open with Photos, this screen is going to open, and we'll have to go here where it says edit and create. We'll choose create a video with text. Sometimes it doesn't work the first time, so you just have to go back and do the same way. Just click on that, but this one works the first time, so that's good. So I'm gonna name this as a demo, and okay. So as you can see, we already had like a good editing page screen here. So that's the name of the video when we're going to save after we're done with everything. And this here, this is your project library. Project library, this is where your original videos that you want to edit. So just in case something happened here when you're editing, adding stuff, you can definitely remove and grab that video and drop it down to replace the one that you actually mess up, because it happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that video clip since it automatically move it down here. So as you can see, we have a lot of things that we can actually do to make this video looks good, but we'll do a very simple editing today, and later on we're gonna go deeper and learn some more functions. So first of all, what I want to do is to add a title card, which I want an introduction to my video of what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that, and my default color is pink. As you can see, everything is pink in my page. So now I'm gonna go ahead and edit my text. So you're gonna move to this screen because you're editing this title card, and here in the title you can definitely write what you want. I'm gonna say unboxing. So that's what I want. So here you have your animated text style. So you can choose however you want to show up as the beginning of your video. So I want to use the holiday because that looks good with my video, the theme and all that. And here in the bottom there's a layout. If you want it to show on top, the side, the other side, bottom, or just the middle, hey, it works. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and use the title page 1. And here on top as well, you can do a background. If you don't like pink, you want some other color, definitely you can do that. But I always want to match it with what I'm doing, so I'll go ahead and use this color. It looks good. And then once you're done editing everything, you can definitely done that. So for the title page, of course, there's gonna be duration on how long do you want it to show. So this one, once you play it, the default time is gonna be 3 seconds. So since it's just 3 seconds, it's too quick for me. You can definitely edit the duration. If you want it longer, you can have it here where you can customize how many seconds do you want it to show. but I think for me it's just 5 seconds. 5 seconds is good enough as an introduction. But since we're editing the duration, that only edits the duration of the background that's going to show up, but it's not going to edit the duration for the text. So if I change my duration into 5 and I didn't change my text into 5, my text is just going to show 3 seconds and the rest of the 2 seconds is just going to be a blank page. So you don't want that. You can go back here, do the same way, and you can see the bar actually stops at 3 seconds. So you have to move that all the way to 5. In that way, they both have the same duration. So once you're done, you can go ahead and press done, and that should show up at 5 seconds as well. Alright, so that's a good one. And then now that I'm done doing that, I also want to add some background music. So here we have free background music that we can choose from, but make sure that you're in this page. And this one is going to be the same way, because if you click here and you add background music, that means you want to add background music from the video, not from here. So I want to have a background music for the whole video. So it's going to start from the beginning. So I want to go ahead and do background music. I want to make sure that I won't make it too loud for you guys, but here we go. So for me, I want to use the rose petals. This one matches the mood of my unboxing video, so I'll go ahead and use this. And at the same time, you can control how loud do you want it to be once you export, finalize everything. So I want to do at least that loud, because I'm also talking in my video, so just to balance it out. So we can press done, and once we play, we have a music. Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. I have a music playing while I'm talking, so it's not gonna be boring, so that's good. So now the last thing that we want to do is text. You want to thank your subscriber, you want to thank those people who watch your video. So we'll go ahead and add text, and then here you'll see the same setting as how we start the title card, and you can type whatever you want to type here. So for me, I always want to thank people for taking time and watching my video, so I want it that way, and I'll go ahead and keep it the same way because the theme matches. But the only thing with this is you always want to remember that this message won't show up in the beginning of your video. You want that to be your closing message. So I'm gonna move the bar to the very end, and you can preview that by moving this. You don't have to watch the whole video all the time. So I want to preview how it looks like, where it's going to show up. Thank you for watching. Just leave a comment if you have questions. So there you go. It shows up at the time that I want it. So we'll go ahead and press done. The same way, you can change the way you want it to show, the layout, where you want it to show up. So I'm going to go ahead and press done. And then now we can definitely get a preview of the whole thing. Very simple and quick. Hi guys, welcome again to my channel today. Question about it. Everything set up. So here's the unboxing of Goliath Disc Extended Promo. Thank you. Next time. So it shows off everything. Everything actually blended out really good. The only thing that I want you to know is that when you have a video that has an audio, like I'm talking in my video, you can adjust your volume here. This is your own volume to the video. If just in case you change your mind that you don't want to talk in the video, you can mute this, and that way they can only hear the background music. So for me, my voice is important to this because I'm explaining something about what I'm unboxing. So I'm gonna keep it at 100%, in that way the viewers can hear it. And once I'm done with everything, I recheck. You can preview here. You can definitely watch the whole thing. It's gonna be the same way as how it looks once you upload. But make sure that you always finish video up here to make sure you save it. Always choose a high quality export, and it's gonna open another screen here where you can save the ones that you finish. So this is the name that I want it to be, export, and it's gonna export your project and it will save it and you're done. So yeah, as simple as that. It's just 10 minutes and it's free and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just that there's some more stuff that we need to get through. So if you want to learn some other things that this application can do, you can definitely leave a comment and I'll try to learn it and make a video, and that way I can help you guys, because I'm also starting my YouTube channel, and so I hope that this helps all the beginners just like me. Well, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next time.